How to exit from Python without traceback? I would like to know how to exit from Python without having an traceback dump on the output. I still want to be able to return an error code, but I do not want to display the traceback log. I want to be able to exit using exit number without trace, but in case of an exception, not an exit, I want the trace.
You are presumably encountering an exception and the program is exiting because of this, with a traceback. The first thing to do therefore is to catch that exception, before exiting cleanly, maybe with a message, example given. Try something like this in your main routine.
Perhaps you're trying to catch all exceptions and this is catching the system exit exception raised by sys.exit. In general, using except column without naming an exception is a bad idea. You'll catch all kinds of stuff you don't want to catch, like system exit, and it can also mask your own programming errors. My example above is silly, unless you're doing something in terms of cleanup. You could replace it with if you need to exit without raising system exit. I do this in code that runs under unitist and calls fork. Unitist gets when the forked process raises system exit. This is definitely a corner case.
The following code will not raise an exception and will exit without a traceback. See this question and related answers for more details. Surprised why all other answers are so overcomplicated? This also will not do proper cleanup, like calling cleanup handlers, flushing studio buffers, etc. Thanks to Pabook for pointing this out.
Even more